How's life on HelloTalk?
How's life on HelloTalk? It's just okay. There are few of them, several of them. They add my WeChat. You know WeChat, right? And I don't spend that much time on HelloTalk, but I do come back HelloTalk sometimes. And when I'm really sad, and I can post some pictures and food and the flowers I bought for my friends, and sometimes I post some moments. Yeah.
How many glasses do you own?
Glasses like this?
Mhm.
I don't know, maybe three or four. When do you start wearing glasses?
These are not prescription glasses. I have perfect vision, thankfully. I wear these because they reduce eye strain when I am looking at monitors and phones. I started wearing them and I noticed that my eyes were not as strained as before and I have less headaches because of it. So it's helped me a lot. They are blue light filter glasses.
Oh, good. Not the same with me because I have eyes problems.
I have vision problems.
I have vision problems.
You can say, for example, I'm nearsighted or I'm farsighted. Are you nearsighted, which means a condition which close objects appear clearly, but far ones don't?
I know what I am. I'm nearsighted.
Are you sure you're not farsighted?
I'm not at all.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?